Slim, lightweight, high performance, the Icom IC-M25 has the slimmest, depth 30.5 mm, and lightest 220G body as a floating marine transceiver star. It also delivers uncompromised performance that will exceed expectations. Large LCD, simple user interface. The IC-M25 EUROS LCD is 30% larger than its predecessor, the IC-M23, and shows clearly large channel number and status icons. The buttons on the front panel are well laid out and provide simple and straightforward operation. USB charging, microB USB type, a standard USB connector. MicroB type is used for charging the IC-M25 Euro. Cigarette lighter cables or mobile batteries for charging smartphones or other devices can be used with the IC-M25 Euro Star. Asterisk, the IC-M25 Euro accepts 5V/1A max input. Use of third-party products is not guaranteed. 11 hours of battery life. The built-in 1500 mAh lithium-ion battery allows 11 hours, approximate, of long operation star. Asterisk, typical operation with TX, high RX, standby equals 5 to 90. Optional speaker microphone, HM213. The optional waterproof speaker microphone, HM213, provides commercial-grade convenience while mounting the radio around the waist. The radio floats even when the HM213 is attached. Other features: IP57 dust protection and waterproof, 1 m depth of water for 30 minutes, construction dual/tri-watch functions, 4-step battery life indicator, auto scan function, instant access to CH16 or programmable call channel.
Pilot House, Charlie Juliet, radio check. Ayos, malakas pala to, bagong radyo. Thank you.